You're watching Information with Imran. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Gmail account without mobile number. So let's start. I'm opening Gmail and here click on your account, add another account, Google. You have to verify it. Okay, so here you should create account. You can create for your work or business or for personal, so I'm going to create it for my personal use. Okay, first name, let's dial here information with, let's choose a random name like Hunter. Okay, next. It's the basic information. You have to dial date of birth, so let's choose a random one, 01 January and 2000, and let's select the gender. Let's prefer the male. Okay, next. So here are some suggestion. I think we should go with the suggestion one, information with Hunter, the first one. Let's click here. Okay, now next. So here we have to give the password. You can give the password by a first capital word. Yeah, great, so it's created. You don't need to enter the mobile number, so you can see more options here, but we don't need that. So here we are, I agree. It's loading. Yes, your account is created. Let's check it. Here is the last one, information with Hunter. So your account is created. You can add your number later if you want, and you can add recovery, etc, etc. You can add everything what you want. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.